Hi, I'm Edward Dupal-ag. I live in Pardo, Cebu, Philippines. During my free time, I usually watch Netflix and YouTube videos. I also have a small garden at home where I planted some vegetables. Recently, I enrolled myself in some online tutorials like the Administrative Virtual Assistant online training at Surge and VirtualLasting. I'm a former call center agent handling telco account. With over 15 years of experience in fast paced call center environments, I have honed exceptional communication, multitasking, and customer service skills. As a dedicated support specialist, I manage high volumes of inbound and outbound calls, resolve complex customer issues, and maintain high satisfaction scores through empathy, efficiency, and attention to detail. My extensive experience has equipped me with strong communication skills, adaptability, and a keen attention to detail, qualities essential for a successful virtual assistant. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team. Let's connect and discuss how I can assist you.